One of the best reasons living down here is that there are so many amenities close to us. We have shopping, we have all the big, stores like Costco and TJ Maxx and Ross. Everything is so close, just very short drive away. We have a plethora of wonderful restaurants nearby. El Paseo is not that far. We have a bunch of casinos nearby that have outdoor music venues, like the Rock Yard has free concerts. I think they start sometime in December or January, but every Friday and Saturday there's free concerts in their Rock Yard, all tribute bands that are just excellent. And a whole bunch of us from here will go over there and hang out and just enjoy the music and dance. What else is there? There's lots of good restaurants in the casinos as well. The Agua Caliente has big name shows inside, as well as the other casino, Spotlight 29, has a indoor concert venue that we go to, my husband and I go to quite often. They have some big names there. Carly Pierce was right there recently. It was an amazing show. But we enjoy going to all the different things around here. There's always, something going on around here. There's never a dull moment. Sometimes you want a dull moment, but you just can't get it because there's just so much fun here.